G'day guys, hope all is well. This is a video for those, well, for all of you. It's a watch list type video, but brought to you by FTX. Don't forget, the description below will have the video walkthrough showing you how to place trades, because I know you've all opened accounts, but I know not all of you are trading. So use that video to help you out, and I'll do some more soon. If you don't have the account, then sign up on the link below here in the description as well, because that gives you a 10% discount. Now I want to show you what I'm looking at right now. We saw the market have a bit of a dang, back down she went last night. But let's have a look at it quickly here. We're looking at Bitcoin, of course. It's in a really nice position. I'm liking the look of this chart. Yesterday's selling off count, obviously it was very bullish, up around 9,500 for a wee bit, and then selling off quite a bit. But let's get some perspective on that. We saw a 13% day the day before. We closed down 1.74%. Still very bullish. Still a good trend. Let's look at these other time frames to see just where we've pulled back to, and if that was out of the blue. And you look at this, right, and we talk about the cradle zone. Now, for those that did go through the whole 4-part series with FTX, you'll know that I use this cradle zone as an area to trade from, an equilibrium point, if you will. And you can see the further it gets extended away, the more likelihood it is to pull back at some point, and it tends to snap back. And that's what we saw, a really good snap back into that cradle zone. You see it on the 4, you can see it on the 8. We're right where we need to be. As a matter of fact, it wouldn't be a problem at all to see a little bit deeper of a pullback to maybe even 8,200, giving us a little cradle in there. So bigger picture, still very bullish. Just waiting for opportunities, really. Now, if we don't find that we have a decent pullback, I'm looking at the lower time frames, things like breakout trades. Now, I know most of you that if you haven't gone through my courses, do it now, because you're going to get the best discount. It's not going to go any longer. 40% off doing our bronze course. We've done it for COVID. COVID's lifting in parts of the world, and look, we just keep on putting money into the business. We need to bring our prices back to where they need to be. So last chance, you've got a week to do it, so get in there and get involved. But I'm looking for little breakout levels. There's not much here on Bitcoin right now. With Tezos, I wanted to walk you through this because we did discuss this in a video last week. When was that? Yeah, the 21st, so a couple of weeks ago now. Geez, that went quick. This is the one I talked to you about, the cradle trade. Boom, beautiful move, locked in profit, scaled out, stop losses up underneath this higher low. Why? Because that's how I trade. If we do get a push on for another higher high, well, I'll probably move it up underneath this one. But for the time being, there's nothing that I'm doing, because there's really nothing that needs to be done. Looking at the 4-hour here, getting a little bit messy in this region. I'm not a real fan of looking at this chart for trades right now. I am in long. I will stay long until I get taken out. But for the time being, it's a leave for me. Binance also long, and I talked to you just then about the Bitcoin breakout trade. There it is, whooshka. Obviously, that was absolutely having a blinder yesterday as well. I just reminded myself, since I was entered above the high of this level, I've got my 1-to-1 already, and I'm moving my stop up to behind this level, locking in more profit, which is what I like to be doing, obviously. It's moving along quite nicely, but I'm going to jump down to the lower time frames here. It's not there yet. Again, just looking for those build-ups into flat levels. Look, higher lows coming into there. There's nothing really of a level just yet for me to work with. But again, I'm already long that, so I'm waiting to see if I'm going to be able to move my stop further. Onto Bitcoin Cash now, pulling back into that cradle zone. Look at this, beautiful, onto that old resistance. Let's go higher. And we'll go to 8, we'll try that. I was actually hoping to see a small bullish candle in here in that cradle zone. I'm willing to keep my eye on this for a little while, because it might evolve overnight. We'll wait and see. Go lower quickly. Any flat levels? Not as of yet. Altcoin Perpetual. Jump back up to here. Look at this daily once again. Breaking resistance, breakout trade. Boom. Move. Retesting. I can really see this getting some good momentum. I can see the whole market getting some good momentum, that's for sure. Really nice trends going on at the moment. Just trying to find entries, you know. I am long 2 different markets, Tezos and Binance, but when there's conditions that are good like this, I am active, you know. There'll be less day-to-day running of a business and more trading. Because trading, don't forget, that is also my business. I am a trader. I make money from trading the market. So when the markets come good like this, often I'm tools down on the other stuff, and I just flat out trade. At the moment, everything's building. Again, alt perp, watching that flat level starting to form there. Bitcoin breakout trade. For those of you who know, you'll know what I'm waiting for there. Same here on Ethereum Classic. Nice flat level starting to form. Want to get another test up in there, solidify that level. Let's back that up with the cradle zone on the 8 hour as well. Have a look at the 4. A little bit messy on the 4. Those big spikes, not a major fan. But one thing I can say that I was pretty happy with is it can take quite a bit to slow a move like this. That's a big fall. You're looking at from where are we here? That first pullback to the low, you're looking like 8%. That's a big fall, and it's happening rapidly. Like the 2% candle, 1% candle. These are big candles. What I like is that it fell straight into the cradle zone on the mids, like the 4 hour, and since then the ship has steadied, and that's why I'm looking for those types of breakout trades. Exchange perp, same sort of thing, back in that cradle zone, just keeping an eye out for flat level build up in here. OKB, I like this. I think it was a 12 hour. Nope, sorry, I wanted to pull back in deeper on that 12, a little bit further for it to go. Same thing though, if a flat level does come about, I'm pretty interested there. Same with Tron here. It's starting to build. It's not perfect yet, but again, back into that cradle on that 8 hour. The markets are looking really, really good right now, guys. As I say, open up your trading account with the link below in the description. Watch that video also in the description of this video. Watch the raising orders for FTX. Now's the time for you not just open the account, for you to start using it. And if you do wish to get more of my trading strategies, go across to tradercobb.com. We are running a 40% discount until next Thursday. If you don't get it now, you may miss out. Guys, have a great day and a fantastic weekend. It's been a good one this week. Not too many trades, but the ones that we have taken have worked out very well here at Trader Cobb. Take care. Speak to you then. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.